Hello everyone, we are here today at the Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort to do a room tour of a king bed deluxe room with a balcony. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and can be a little cramped with the bed pulled out.
Yeah, but it's not too bad overall. It is a pretty nice room. We got a great one here on the end of the building. A little bit different with this room because we actually have 2 balconies instead of 1.
Let's go check it out.
You first come into the room here. Over on the right, we have the closet. It's actually a pretty good sized closet here. You've got a closet rod with some robes there, and then down below there's also some slippers, and there's an iron and an ironing board. You have a little luggage rack, a built-in safe in the wall there, and you also have an extra pillow up on the top shelf. And then in the room we do have a balcony on the other side with the sliding glass doors, but this particular room actually has a bonus balcony because we're here at the end of the hallway. So we just go out this door here, and our balcony is the corner of the building. We've got 2 chairs and a small table here. Really good sized balcony and a nice resort view here. You do have the friendship boats there, as you can see the dock where they pick up going to Hollywood Studios and to Epcot. But a really pretty view, a really nice balcony out here, in addition to the balcony on the other side of the room that we'll see in just a minute. Coming back into the room here, we have the bathroom where you have your shampoo, conditioner, and some lotion there. You've got glasses and cups. You also have a single vanity, a little bit of space here in the bathroom area, but no door to this part of the bathroom. You've got a hair dryer down there, and then you have a makeup mirror here on the wall. And then in the other half of the bathroom, of course, there is a door. There's also a full-length mirror on that door. In here, you've got your toilet and you have a walk-in shower. It does just have the one shower head. There's no detachable shower head in here, but it is a pretty good size walk-in shower. Heading into the rest of the room, this is a king room, so we've got that king bed here in the center of the room. On each side of the bed, we have a little nightstand that has a shelf there, and we have the lamps. Each of the lamps has a wall outlet and a USB outlet. This side has a phone and the other side has your alarm clock. And then across from the bed we have our dresser. This is where you've got your little coffee maker. You have some Starbucks coffee here. I've actually got real Starbucks coffee in the rooms. And then your drawers are pretty good size. Got a lot of storage space there with the 4 drawers. And then this one cabinet over here is actually where you're going to find your mini fridge. It's not a huge mini fridge, but it's pretty deep, and you are able to put those waters in there, and the waters do come complimentary here in the room. Put a couple in the fridge, and there's a few across the room as well. We've got another lamp there with a wall outlet and USB outlet next to the TV, and you can close the shade behind the TV if it is letting in too much light with that window there, but there is a ton of natural light here in this room, which is really nice. There's that tray down there that has your ice bucket and the cups, as well as those additional bottles of water that I mentioned. You have a table that is on wheels, so you can roll it around the room as needed with that chair there. Little lamp in the corner, and then our couch is here in the corner, and that couch does pull out into a double bed, so Alyssa will pull that out in just a minute so you can see what that looks like here. We'll head out here to the other balcony. This is the one that most of the balcony rooms will have if they're not here on the end. It's smaller than the one that we have on the end. You've got 2 chairs and a table there. Not a ton of space out here on the balcony. And you can see all the other balcony rooms going down the side of the building. They just have this one balcony instead of the little bonus balcony like we got here. Once again, a resort view here because all of their balcony rooms are considered resort view. We might be able to see Hollywood Studios fireworks straight ahead there in the evening. Hard to say because of how tall the Swan is. And then we don't think we'd be able to see the Epcot fireworks because of the building here and boardwalk there. Might be able to see just a little over the treetops, but I don't think it's very likely here. Usually you have a little bit better view of those from the Swan if you're facing the other side of the building instead of facing into the resort here. Now Alyssa has pulled out that bed so you can see with the double bed pulled out, this room will sleep 4. You do lose a lot of your space in here, but if you were to push the table over against the wall a little bit closer, even though you lose a lot of the walking area here in the room, you've still got plenty of space for 4 people to spread out here in this room. And that's going to conclude our tour of this king bed deluxe room with a balcony here at the Walt Disney World Dolphin.
We hope you enjoyed that tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those.
And while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button to find out when we post other videos around Walt Disney World and other Disney destinations around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.